Okay, guys, revised layout. Um, Starting with the island, right now it's 123 inches long. That's cabinet to cabinet. So the overhang is going to be an inch and a half on either end. So technically it'd be 126. So the position of it now, it's centered on the cooktop. And then these lines, these red lines, represent 42 inches. This is the assumption that you have a 12-inch overhang on the back. So looking at the front of the island, trash, apron, sink, dishwasher, beverage, fridge. I know this hasn't changed since the last video, but just I'll go through again. Back of the island, these are 12-inch deep storage cabinets. So what we've done here is move the double oven cabinet. Come on, computer. So the microwave's at the top. And to get this exact, I need to know the model numbers of the microwave and double oven. But before, this was a 13-inch tall drawer here, and now we're down to a 6 to push it down. 36-inch cooktop, so we moved the hood over and made it a little bit smaller. Your fridge space, so this makes your pantry area significantly bigger. I should be about 52 inches wide now. Spice pull out, tray divider. These drawer stacks are even at 32 inches. These upper cabinets are even. I was just trying to keep this wall without any full height cabinets. I understand your pantry is pretty small, but I just don't see a way to do this without putting the wall oven here. But it doesn't look bad to have this. I was just trying to keep this whole cooktop wall without any full height cabinets, just to try to give it a little bit more stately look. But this is not bad either, especially since these are all balanced out. Now from here over, it's all even. And then these corner cabs here, this is what we're looking at, these drawer stacks. So this would be dead space, and then the uppers and glass doors here. This is the middle 45 wall. This is open into the living room. That 45-degree wall there, pantry wall. So 2 cabinets, 3 doors. So the width of this and this cabinet to keep it equal, 3 doors. Your fridge cab here, assuming it's a 48. And then here's our range wall. And I've got this pretty tight to this door opening here. I don't remember if there's an outlet here or not, but if there is, it's possible to take that outlet and bring it in the cabinet and just put the outlet on the side of this oven cabinet. Anyway, let me know what you think of this, if this works better for you. Thank you.